Hello everyone, welcome to Samasto YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn MS Excel another tutorial. Today's topic is cell reference. Take a new sheet, then zoom. Before that, this is first cell name, A1. Right number between cells is called cell value. Here A1 is cell name, and number 2 is cell value. Write more number. Here every cell has number. If you want to display cell value to another cell, then do this process. Equal, then write the value cell name. This is called formula and the cell name is now called cell reference. If you change the cell name with another cell name, then you will understand yourself. Now use the fill handle to copy the formula to another cell, and saw that formula is working like the previous cell. Also found that the column name or row number automatically changes in the formula. Here I used fill handle row-wise so the row number changed. Now column-wise fill handle used, see that the column name in the formula is changed. Let's know it in detail. Type this formula, and see the changes in all directions. Here in the formula is first cell multiply with the second cell, and creates the result. If you copy this formula row-wise, then see the same rule in this cell. Copy formula column-wise, then here also see the same. Here 2 and 3 multiplied, and the result is 6, then 3 and 6 multiplied, and the result has been 18. This type of changes in the formula where the user copy formula from one cell to another cell, the cell address is changed accordingly is called relative cell reference. This time use same formula, but here in the formula add $sign before row number only, and see what happens. Basically now $sign is used here to fix that particular column or row. Here in the formula I use $sign before row number of the first cell, so that cell is fixed. See what is the changes. Another reference is there to the fixed column by $sign, and see what happens. Here first cell column name fixed. These two types of cell references where a column or row in a formula user should to fixed by $sign. When user copy formula from one cell to another cell, then one part of cell is fixed, and other is relative. Again, use the same formula, but here in the formula column and row both have to fixed by $sign. For fixed a cell value in a formula, user should to fix the column as well as the row by $sign. When user copy formula from one cell to another cell, then cell address will not be changed accordingly. This type of cell reference is called absolute cell reference. This is relative cell reference. This two are mixed cell reference. And this is absolute cell reference. Let's try this method and solve the calculation. Here is the table year-wise interest calculation given. We have to solve this by formula, which will show the correct value if we copy the formula to another cell. Interest value will be calculated by multiplying the amount and percentage. Now copy the formula to another cell would be wrong, it will show the wrong value. You need to fix percentage row. This is now correct. Here is now showing another problem. Because while copying the formula to another cell, the column name of the amount cell in the formula is changing. It needs to be fixed by $sign. This is now correct. So, viewer, today's topic is very clear to you. Hopefully, you learned today about cell references and how they will use. Stay tuned for more Excel tutorials. Please share this videos with your friends. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Also subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon for more update. See you in the next tutorial.